Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to find a community in Pinterest in this video. Let's get started. First, open Pinterest on your device. Tap on Search. Now search for any topics that you're interested in. Then tap on Search. It will normally only show you the pins related to the topic, but if you tap at the top left on the filter icon, you can see many other options. Tap on Boards, then on View Results. Now it will show you all the boards created on the topic. Now if you open any board, tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on Follow. You can see the updates on the following boards. Similarly, if you go back, tap on filter icon again, then tap on Profiles. You can view the profiles of the people related to the topic. You can follow them to get updates as well. And that is how to find a Pinterest community. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.